What's up guys? So here's the update with our battery pack for the router. I added another series, so now there's two, and then connected it in parallel. Now it's three batteries in series and then two in parallel. So 3S 2P connection. Here's the connection. This is parallel and then series to another parallel. Positive, negative, and then here's the positive and then negative. The previous pack was just one series, so it lasted for more than 3 hours. Now maybe this will last twice. So let's check the voltage. It's still 12 volts there. 12.22. And here's what I'm using to charge it and to balance it. This is a solar charge controller, MPPT. It can detect, or you can set the battery type from lithium or solid. You just need to press the button with a small pin. Currently it's set to lithium. So here's the spec sheet or the technical parameters. It's set to lithium battery, so the equalization is at 12.2 volts and the float is at 12.2 volts as well. So this doesn't work since I'm not gonna use the load terminal. I'm just using the balancing or the charging of the batteries. So let's connect this one. This is the positive. Let's put an arc. There. This one. Connect the negative to the negative terminal. There you go. It's gonna detect it. There. Okay. There. I also have, where is it? This one. This is a battery voltage meter, so I can monitor uh, the voltage of my battery pack. You can just add this here. There. And also negative to negative. Oh, sorry. There. So currently it's reading 12 volts. So here's the input terminal. Currently I'm gonna use my 19-volt laptop charger. What this will do, what the MPPT or solar charge controller will do is it can take up to 12 volts, or it can charge 12 volts or 24 volts battery, and the input is at 50 volts. So this terminal can take up to 50 volts, and then it will detect the voltage of your battery, and then it will balance it. So this is a 19 volt laptop charger. Let's connect it. There, see, you will see that it's changing because it's charging the battery. It will charge up until the written voltage here, 12.2 volts. Then it will float, or floating charge. It will maintain the 12.2 volt voltage for the battery. So once this is at floating charge, I'm gonna remove it, and then I'm gonna connect the 12 volt adapter for the router, and then connect this to our router. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.